Security check complete. Truck 7 cleared for Dock 4.
Copy that.
Bale 34B scanned and verified. Moving to inventory staging area now. Over.
Utilizing advanced fiber analysis, researchers determine if the cotton is suitable for transformation into secure currency paper. This specialized treatment strengthens the developing pulp, ensuring it can support the longevity required for Thailand's official 100 baht banknote.
Final filtration complete. The consistency is perfect for the 100 baht notes. Excellent. Initiating transfer sequence.
Advanced optical systems analyze the fiber distribution patterns. This precision guarantees the durability and security of the future banknote.
Increasing the line density here enhances the anti-counterfeiting resilience without affecting the portrait watermark integrity.
What about the curvature adjustment we discussed earlier?
All security elements are verified against the Bank of Thailand specifications.
Ready for final authorization and archive.
The first deep red foundation layer is applied with microscopic precision. Engineers monitor the color density, ensuring alignment with Bank of Thailand standards.
The analytical software confirms compliance on the
The alignment on this batch is perfect.
Confirmed. Print integrity is holding steady at 100%.
We've completed Stack 4 verification. 100% accuracy.
Excellent. Proceed with transfer.
Deployment sequence initiated. All stations report.
Control confirms. Convoy is clear for national network.
Status check on Unit 2. Look at the inventory status for Region 4. The reserves are low.
Agreed. Adjust the redistribution schedule for the 100 baht notes. Here are your new 100 baht notes, Mr. Somchai. Thank you. The process was very quick today.
The transaction completes,